आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. My name is Arvind Kanogia and I warmly welcome you on my channel The Develop Mind. In today's video, I will talk about how to think in English. How to stop translating in our head while speaking in English. दोस्तों, क्या आपको मालूम है कि आप इंग्लिश बोलते समय अक्सर गलती कहाँ करते हैं? Where you actually make the mistake while speaking in English. जब आप इंग्लिश सेंटेंस को अपने नेटिव लैंग्वेज में सोचते हैं, फिर उसको अपने दिमाग में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं और फिर बोलते हैं, एंड दैट इज द मोस्ट क्रिटिकल पार्ट वेयर यू मेक द मिस्टेक. You get stuck, you fumble while speaking in English, and because of this, you feel like you're not fluent, you're not confident in English. This is one of the critical problem we all face in beginning. I had faced as well. However, I trained my mind in a such way that it started thinking in English when I speak by following two simple exercises which I'm going to tell you. And now I don't have to translate in my mind anymore. The word coming out from my mouth, it's coming out automatically. I don't have to think anymore. So you can train your mind as well so that it always think in English when you speak by following two simple exercise which I'm about to give you. तो बने रहिए वीडियो के अंत तक, क्योंकि आज से आप सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ही सोचेंगे और इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे. नो ट्रांसलेशन. लेट्स स्टार्ट. शुरुआत में जब हमारा इंग्लिश ग्रामर पढ़ के हो जाता है और जब हम एक्चुअल में इंग्लिश बोलना स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो हम यही करते हैं. पहले सेंटेंस को हम अपने नेटिव लैंग्वेज में सोचते हैं, फिर उसको अपने दिमाग में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं और फिर बोलते हैं. But when you speak in your native language, suppose your native language is Hindi, do you do the same? Do you still think anything while speaking in Hindi? No. Your mind think in Hindi and you speak in Hindi, and that too in a tremendous way. But when it comes to speak in English, your mind still think in your native language. For example, your native language is Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, etc. Then translate it, then speak, and that's where you make the mistake which lead you not to become fluent and confident. So what to do so that your mind could stop translating and think in English only when you speak? For that, you will have to follow two simple exercises in order to train your mind in a such a way that it starts thinking in English when you speak. Exercise 1. Make the sentences in your head. This is one of the fastest way to start thinking in English. Throughout your day, make sentences about what is happening around you. For example, let's say that you are sitting at your family's doctor clinic waiting for your turn to see the doctor. In your head, you can start thinking in English. I like the waiting room. It is so immaculate. I can't find even a small piece of dust here. Environment is so peaceful. The person is sitting in front of me looking so sick, and so on. You can do this in any situation when you are at your work, at your home or market, anywhere. Have very close observation around you. Make small sentences in your head. Don't go for the sophisticated one. What benefit you will get? It will train your brain to make sentences in English. Now, while you are doing this, if you start translating, it's okay. Don't get disappointed, because as you keep practicing, you will collect more and more sentences for everyday situation, and over the time, you will translate less. Remember that you have to do this exercise without skipping even a single day. Trust me, if you keep doing this, you will see the results soon. Exercise 2. Recap your day. Do you know the meaning of recap? Recap means to remember or summarize something. In this case, your day. This is an exercise you should do at the end of the day, or maybe just before you go to bed, or you can do this even when you are lying in bed or before go to sleep. Think about how many people you met today. If you spoke them in your native language, then try to start that conversation again in English. For example, अगर आप अपने किसी फ्रेंड से मिले और उससे आपने अपने नेटिव लैंग्वेज में बात किया, जैसे अरे यार आज तो सुबह उठने में मुझे बहुत देर हो गया क्योंकि कल रात को मैं बहुत लेट सोया था, ऑफिस भी बहुत देर से पहुंचा, बॉस बहुत गुस्सा हो रहा था, मेरा पूरा दिन खराब हो गया। आप इन सब बातों को इंग्लिश में बोलो। In short, how was your day? Who did you meet? What conversation you had? Everything. Try to speak in English before you go to bed. And if you do so, who knows, you might get dream of this in which you are talking yourself in English. Because it happens. When you think something before you go to sleep, you get the similar vision. Try to do this every single day. Minimum 10 minutes or maximum, it's up to you. What I like about this exercise is that you can do it at the same time every day, which means it's very easy to make this habit. So this practice making sentences will help you to think in English automatically. These are the top 2 simple exercises which helped me to think in English, and I strongly believe it would help you as well if you follow these with consistency. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video with an amazing topic. Till then, Pranam.